Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. I did yesterday for you really quick video. It was a walk around this 86 Toyota truck, the Legend. And part of the video was that I discovered something leaking underneath the dashboard. And it caught your attention. And you guys starting so-called guessing what it is. And of course you guys didn't guess, you knew. You knew very well, and I want to show you that you were right. You were absolutely right. Now how can I catch it with camcorder? Well, that's a good one. So, right here, give me a chance please to slowly zoom on it. And all of you who said, yes, that's a master clutch cylinder leaking, and this is where it is, right? You can see it perfectly. I think that focusing and zooming on it works very good. So you see the rod which the clutch pedal pushes in and out, and that's the cause of the leak. That's that drip. Also look on the left. Some of you said, hey, you have to push the clutch all the way to the floor. There should be adjustable switch. There should be adjuster on it. Of course, again, you guys were correct. This can be adjusted when this clutch pedal, which is here, and the whole lever is coming towards to it. You don't have to really push so hard that you think you will put the clutch pedal through the floor of the truck. I can actually adjust the switch coming towards to the me, right, more in the cabin, and that will engage that switch sooner, and the person operating this vehicle doesn't have to get crazy pushing it like it's a end of the world or something. So I wanted to really quickly share this with you. You were right again, and I guess I should hire you as a helpers on this channel, in this garage, so I have more time to film instead of just working and skipping some interesting videos. Now how you replace that? So there is one little pin which is holding it, that entire assembly, to the clutch pedal, so that is very easy to remove. There is that rod, and the rest of it, it's right here. This is a brake, so that's not that, but that's that clutch master cylinder assembly. If I will zoom on it, there are two nuts, only two nuts holding it. So replacing it will be disconnected this line which holds that brake fluid .3 coming down towards to the slave cylinder, but this is the master. So there are two nuts on each side. You unscrew this, hopefully it's not rusted in. You remove these two nuts which you see right there, and after disconnecting it from the clutch pedal underneath the dashboard in the cabin, you are able to pull this whole assembly towards to me and replace it with the new unit. And you basically purchase the whole thing as a unit, and the prices will vary. I didn't even call dealer because it happened yesterday in the evening. They were already closed, but I checked my supplier O'Reilly, and absolutely shocked me how the price was low. It's only like 30 bucks or $35 for the whole thing. So that was pretty interesting. Not very difficult to replace, and very cheap price for the part. I'm not even sure if I will be doing this job because I keep calling the owner and he must be kayaking or something. He's not answering the phone. So if he will approve it before it leaves, which he should, I might film it, but I'm not sure because then I will be putting it between two other cars which I have scheduled. So that's the reality of this. I have to make living here, right? I cannot just keep filming every single repair. That's impossible. So thank you for watching. That was my answer to your comments underneath the last video. I hope you enjoyed it. All of you were right completely. And be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.